Hello student, today we are learning about nutrition in plants. Today we are learning about nutrition in plants. All the animals, all the living plant and animals, they need food for living. If they do not take food, sometimes the living things are dead. Today we study about nutrition in plants. For studying nutrients, a substance that help animal and plants to grow. A substance that help animal and plants to grow, like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals in animals and plants, fertilizers, dead article matter waste, etc. Urea, DAP, diammonium single superphosphate are the nutrients of plants. Made of nutrition in plants. Students, made of nutrition in plants. Nutrition in living organic, different living organisms have different type of nutritions. Like plants have two type of nutritions: autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs, subplant. Look at the whiteboard here. Autotroph, fig. Some plant make their own food with the help of inorganic substance like carbon dioxide, water, minerals and sunlight. These are called autotrophs. Some plant make their own food with the help of inorganic substance like carbon dioxide, water, minerals, sunlight. These are called autotrophs. For examples, neem tree, banyan tree, etc. Next, photosynthesis. The process by which, very short definition, photosynthesis we make. The process by which plant make their own food. The process by which plant make their own food. These are called photosynthesis. In this process, plant takes sunlight from the sun, carbon dioxide from the animals, and water and minerals it absorbs from the soils. Then this process start. Water and minerals, carbon dioxide, sunlight, chlorophyll. Then he make glucose, oxygen released in atmosphere, and water vapors released in atmosphere. We hope students you learn. Okay. Next heading है heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. this type nutrition, some plant do not make their own food. They depend their food from other plants and animals. These are called, this type of nutritions are called heterotrophic nutritions. This type of nutrition are called heterotrophic nutrition. Trophic nutrition देखिए यहां पर हेटेरो मीन्स होता है पर मीन्स अदर, और ट्रॉफिक मीन्स होता है न्यूट्रिशन। ट्रॉफिक मीन्स होता है न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स पोषण। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, heterotrophic nutrition, some plants do not make their own foods, they depend their food from other plants and animals. This type of nutrition are called heterotrophic nutrition. hetero means होता है अदर, trophic means पोषण। न्यूट्रिशन यानी अदर जीवों से जो ये अपना न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्राप्त करते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशंस। हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन के अंतर्गत पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन एंड सैप्रोफाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन होता है। हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन आर टू टाइप्स। पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशंस एंड सैप्रोफिटिक। न्यूट्रिशन अब देखिए पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन, सम प्लांट डू नॉट मेक देयर ओन फूड्स, they do not have leaf or roots, they are thread like structures, they have thread like structures like Cuscuta. Parasitic nutrition some plant next class we define parasite. You have learned now again we are define parasite. Some plants and animals live in or on the body of other animals for their food. some plants and animals live in or on the body of other animals for their food. These are called parasite. कुछ ऐसे जीव हैं जो अपना भोजन स्वयं नहीं बनाते, वो अपने भोजन के लिए दूसरे जीवों के ऊपर, दूसरे जीवों के शरीर के ऊपर अथवा दूसरे जीवों के शरीर के अंदर रहते हैं। वह जीव जो खाता है उससे लेकर के अपना काम चलाते हैं। ऐसे जीवों को हम क्या करते हैं? पैरासाइट कहते हैं। ठीक उसी तरह से प्लांट, सम प्लांट्स do not make their they obtain their food where the body of other plant where they grow. Some plants do not make their own food, they obtain their food from where the body of other plant where they grow. कुछ ऐसे जीव हैं जो अपना भोजन स्वयं नहीं बनाते, लेकिन वे जिस पौधे के ऊपर उगते हैं उसी से अपना भोजन प्राप्त करते हैं, जैसे कसुटा है। Suppose that a plants Cascuta is thread-like structures. It penetrates their stem to the host plant and other food materials and live in the atmosphere. This type of plants are called parasitic plants. For example, Cascuta. Next, has saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition. Some plants do not make their own food, they obtain their food ordinary decaying matter in form of solution. Some plant some plants do not make their own food. They obtain their food from dead or decaying matter in form of solution. Example: mushroom. Structure of mushroom plants. You look at your surroundings where the vast material are stored. You see in rainy season or winter season. Spore, ये है hyphae, saprophytic nutritions. Some plants do not make their own foods. They obtain their foods from dead or decaying matter in form of solution. Current some plants do not make their own foods. They obtain their foods from the dead or decaying matter in form of solution, in form of liquid solution. In form of liquid solution, for example, mushroom. You look their surroundings in rainy season or winter seasons. Different type of plants grow on the where heap of the vast material. Look at their surroundings where the vast material are stored. In rainy season, when it starts, we see different type of plants. Here, mushroom or grow on the heap of the vast. Next, insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plant. Some plants do not make their foods. They eat insect for their food. Some plants do not make their own food. They eat insect for their food. Some plant do not make their own foods. They eat insect for their food. These are called insectivorous plant. These are called insectivorous example picture plant Venus flytrap etc. देखिए जो पिक्चर प्लांट्स in picture plants here is structure like pictures. When the insect sit here, when the insect sit here, then he close their mouth. इस तरह से अपना मुंह बंद कर लेता है. Then he secrete a poisonous liquid which kill the insect. When the insect kill, it absorb the nutrients from the insect body. This type of nutritions या this type taking food method are called insectivorous plant. Next है Venus flytrap. Here the structure of Venus flytraps. This tracks color more attractive. He is paired a pheromones. These pheromones attract insect. When insect sitting here and there, like this. When the insect sit here, then he close their mouth. Then the insect sitting here, he secrete a liquid. The legs of insect stick their traps, and then he close their mouth. Then he close their mouth. Then he secrete a poisonous materials. These materials kill the insect. When the insect kill, the absorb nutrients from the insect body. This type of feeding habits are into insectivorous plants. Okay, we meet next day, next chapter. Thank you.